Welcome to my channel. Today we'll discuss an important current affairs topic, the summits and the conferences current affairs in July month of 2026. And this is important for all competitive exam. So before starting the video, I request you, those who are new to this channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the daily notification. And also please like and share this video, and also join my Telegram group. The link is in the description box, also in the pinned comment. So now let's start the video. So question number 1, Aero India 2026 will be the 16th edition of the Asia's largest air show to be held at Yelahanka Air Force Station in Bengaluru, Karnataka. And it is a biennial event organized under the Ministry of Defence with the Hindustan Aeronautics Limited HAL as a nodal agency, and the government aims to achieve 3 lakh crore in defence manufacturing and 50,000 crore in defence export by the year of 2029 to 2030. नेक्स्ट, और अगर आपको करंट अफेयर्स और जीके पीडीएफ फॉर्मेट में चाहिए बहुत ही कम प्राइस में, तो यहाँ पे दिए गए नंबर पे आप कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं। जनवरी टू जुलाई 2026 का 7th मंथ मंथली वाइज करंट अफेयर्स एंड जनवरी टू दिसंबर 2025 का 12 मंथ का करंट अफेयर्स मिल जाएगा। स्टेट वाइज कोई भी स्टेट का फुल करंट अफेयर्स मिल जाएगा। जीके जीएस ऑल सब्जेक्ट नोट आपको एग्जाम वाइज मिल जाएगा एंड सब्जेक्ट वाइज क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर एंड एग्जाम वाइज प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन आपको मिल जाएगा। एंड करंट अफेयर्स यहाँ पे दिया गया 16 टॉपिक, हर टॉपिक अलग अलग करके दिया है एक ही पीडीएफ में, जिससे आपको पढ़ने में आसानी होगी। और जीके जीएस का भी हर चैप्टर आपको सब्जेक्ट आपको चैप्टर वाइज टॉपिक वाइज नोट्स मिल जाएगा। एंड करंट अफेयर्स हर मंथ आपको 250 से 300 करंट अफेयर्स मिल जाएगा। एंड 2025 का भी पीडीएफ लोगे तो 2000 प्लस करंट अफेयर्स आपको मिल जाएगा। मंथली वाइज करंट अफेयर्स आपको मिल जाएगा। सो नाउ लेट्स बैक टू द वीडियो। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, India hosts the BRICS Women's Working Group meeting in Kochi under the BRICS chairmanship 2026, bring together the senior officials from the BRICS member countries to promote the women-led development. And the theme 2026 is Building for Resiliency, Innovation, Cooperation and Sustainability. Next, question number 3, 36th North Atlantic Treaty Organization NATO Summit was held in Ankara in Turkey and chaired by Secretary General of NATO Mark Rutte. And it is Turkey's second time hosting a NATO summit after the 2024 Istanbul summit. Next, question number 4, and the theme of the NATO Summit 2026 is Key to Peace, and the objective to focusing on the collective deterrence, accelerating defense industrial production and expanding the support for the Ukraine. Question number 4, BRICS Women Ministerial Meeting was concluded in Kochi, Kerala under the India's BRICS chairmanship 2026. Number 5, India and Australia finalized an administrative arrangement under their civil nuclear cooperation agreement during the 3rd India-Australia Annual Summit held in Melbourne, and the arrangement operationalizes the civil nuclear cooperation agreement which is signed in 2014, came into force in 2015. Question number 6, the 3rd Bharat Tex 2026, the largest global textile event, was held at Bharat Mandapam, New Delhi. The international exhibitors from 14 countries including the United States and the United Kingdom, Japan, Portugal, Spain, New Zealand, South Korea, South Africa, Nepal and participate in the event. The event aims to promote the India's textile and the apparel industry, boost the textile export, attracting the global investment and encourage the innovation and sustainability. Question number 7, India is hosting the 16th BRICS Health Ministerial Meeting in Chandigarh as a 3-day event, bring together the health minister and the senior official from the BRICS countries to strengthen cooperation health issues. Number 8, Union Minister for Chemical and Fertilizer JP Nadda inaugurated the Legu Uday Bharati Pharma Conclave 2026 in New Delhi, highlighting the pharmaceutical sector role in innovation and employment generation and affordable healthcare. Number 9, second Bharat Green Hydrogen Summit 2026 was held in New Delhi, and the theme 2026 is positioning India as a global hydrogen hub, and organized by the Federation of Indian Chamber of Commerce and Industry FICCI, and aims on the green hydrogen, hydrogen-based mobility, and the energy export competitiveness. Next. Number 10, 8th meeting of the BRICS head of the prosecution service is being held virtually from 20 July to 21st July 2026. India is hosting the presiding over the event led by the Attorney General of India R. Venkat Ramani, and the 2-day summit focus on the theme exchanging experience and best practical criminal adjudication for the prosecution perspective. 11. Fifth meeting of the BIMSTEC National Security Chiefs took place in New Delhi on 17 July 2026, hosted by India's National Security Advisor NSA Ajit Doval. The summit brought together the delegates from Bangladesh, Bhutan, Myanmar, Nepal, Sri Lanka, and Thailand to adopt the key maritime security guidelines and adopt the response in the regional conflict. Next, question number 12. Border Road Organization BRO held a 2-day strategic infrastructure conclave at the Manesho Center in New Delhi, and the theme is enhancing capability through technology, innovation, and exclusion excellency. Number 13, Union Minister for Labour and Employment Dr. Mansukh Mandavia inaugurated the 15th BRICS Trade Union Forum Summit 2026 in Hyderabad, and the objective is to building a worker-centric global order where the technological advancement is guided by the social justice, responsible innovation, and human dignity. 14. Fourth edition of the National Conference on the Responsible Business Conduct 2026, organized by the School of Business Environment on the National Institute of Corporate Affairs, and autonomous institution under the Ministry of Corporate Affairs, Government of India, concluded in New Delhi. Next, question number 15. Ministry of Jal Shakti is holding the All India Conference Water Resources Department Secretaries on 13 July 2026 at the Sushma Swaraj Bhavan, New Delhi, chaired by Union Jal Shakti Minister C.R. Patel. Conference review the MWM scheme, national-wide campaign, dam safety, compliancy, and the state water reform. Number 16, Department of Administrative Reform and the Public Grievances, in collaboration with the Government of Meghalaya, is organizing 2-day national conference on the theme of next-gen administrative and e-governance reforms on the 13th and the 14th July 2026 in Shillong, Meghalaya. So these are the 16 important summit and the conferences, current affairs in the July month of 2026. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then press the like button and share this video. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the daily notification. And also please like and share this video, and also join my Telegram group, and also check the playlist. And 2026 का करंट अफेयर्स 2000 जनवरी से जुलाई मंथ लेने के लिए यहाँ पे कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं. हर मंथ का वो 250 से 300 करंट अफेयर्स मिल जाएगा एंड जीके जीए सॉल्व सर्वे नोट आपको एग्जाम वाइज मिल जाएगा। सो थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग माय वीडियो, बाय।